how to fix Microsoft Teams notification sounds not working on Mac. Now, this is very easy to fix. All you have to do before you open up the client on your MacBook with Microsoft Teams is make sure that all notifications sounds has already been turned on. So that specific option is usually located at the lower right portion of your Mac device. Just simply tap on sounds and notifications and make sure that under Microsoft Teams is already been turned on and enabled. So all I have to do is just to turn on everything directly from Microsoft Teams, especially with the notification sounds. If not working, then all you have to do next is just to try and uninstall your Microsoft Teams from your MacBook. Try reinstalling it once again and make sure if it is already working or not. So that is how you fix or troubleshoot Microsoft Teams sounds notifications not working on Mac.